Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Netflix password reset not working. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of immediate troubleshooting steps you can follow, or you could also fix a couple specific error scenarios. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and go to netflix.com, clear cookies. Just like that. And once you're here, simply go ahead and log into your account, which will simply go ahead and clear your existing data that might be causing a loop. Also try to delete all previous Netflix password reset emails to ensure you are using the most recent one. And you can also try to reset on a mobile browser using a cellular data instead of your Wi-Fi. There are other reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first being a link does not work or expired. So reset links are time sensitive and request a new one and try to use it within 10 to 15 minutes. Also, there's another error called too many attempts error. If you see error 56, you must wait at least 24 hours before trying to request another reset. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.